Hello everyone, it's Janine here with Pugsley, and I'll bring you another arty video today. But we've had some wet days recently, and I played a game with Pugsley called Find the Dinosaur, so I thought you might like to see what we've been up to. So there's Pugsley. And for today's little project, I have a little piece of card. I think it was probably about 2 inches by 2 inches, and I had some gouache left over from the project that I posted last week, because I filmed this pretty much straight after that one, and I was just trying to use the gouache up, and because it's like watercolour, I could, re-wet that in the palette. So I'm just painting myself a little background and kind of letting the colours sort of flow into each other if they want to do that. But if you don't have gouache, feel free to use what you have. Basically I just want to get some colour onto my background, so if you're doing that with felt tips or coloured pencil or watercolour, anything will be fine. Just the idea is to get some colour into the background. And feel free to use whatever the colours you want to use. Often you've probably noticed my default colours seem to be sort of blues and purpley colours, but use whatever colours you like, whatever you're drawn to. So this is just a little quick project this week, just to hopefully inspire you, and to get you being creative. So now I'm just using those sections that I created by the paint to fill in with different Zentangle inspired patterns. I have lots of other Zentangle videos, so I'll try and remember to link those, or at least one of those, in the cards, but if not, I'll put one in the description. So I find that Zentangle is very kind of relaxing. I have heard it being described as yoga for the brain, and so through these videos I really like to promote positive mental well-being, and how art can be really helpful for that. So I hope this inspires you to take some time out and to do a little project. Now obviously in this video I've sped it up, but this project, it doesn't take too long, so obviously it took a bit longer than the video, but even if you just have a little snippet of time, it doesn't take too long. And even if you didn't have time to do a coloured background, you could still do some Zentangle doodles. I think it's important when we can to be able to try and take a little bit of time out of our day to have some kind of me time. This is something that I talk about in my mental health week awareness video, where I have 5 tips for positive well-being. I'll try and remember to link that up in the cards as well. But this is a good little project for if you just have if you don't have so much time one day, you've got a busy day, but you just have a little bit of time just to do some doodling. So yeah, I hope this inspires you. Until next time, bye for now.